Hi friends, welcome to Tutors Funny channel. Today I am going to teach the GitHub Copilot. Okay, so this program, which is a best AI tool for programmers to easily when you go to some error of the program, you can easily solve out. Okay, I have tested this AI tool, is very helpful. So here this tool earlier give as a paid version. Now they are providing the free plan as well. Here if you have a GitHub account, you just create your GitHub account. After that you can get this free plan. Here this is a free plan. I have get the free plan over here. This is nowadays the free plan is available, okay, for the developers. So you can see the for the developers, look at the starting with GitHub Copilot. Here $0, okay, 0 USD. Okay, so this is the things. Okay, so you will be able to get it. Okay, so you have to click on this start button. So here you will be able to get the conversation. Okay, so this code, if you want, you can put this extension in VS Code editor as well. So if you have a extension VS Code editor, you have a VS Code editor, this extension, rather than using to the website, you can use it to the extension over here. You can go to the extension tab, you can download it, GitHub Copilot. You have to, it asks your GitHub username and password, your user credential. It asks the user credential for login of GitHub. So if you provide the GitHub, you have the GitHub Copilot. Okay, this one, this AI tool. Here you have to install them. Okay, so I'm not installing this GitHub Copilot at the moment. Okay, so you have to install it. Okay, so because my Visual Code editor is too slow, my computer is takes slow down, that's why I'm not installing. Okay, you can install it. Okay, so if you have a good performance in your machine, you can install it. Here if you click install, the extension will be installed. Okay, it's simple. When you get the error, you will be able to find the error using this tool. Okay, so here you my Microsoft. Here I'm going to go to this respective website. So I'm going to type. If you want to ask anything else, okay, it's professionally it will be do the here. I want to do the CRUD system in Laravel CRUD application. Make, you have to tell them I need you to make a efficient, effective Laravel CRUD application. I need you to make a effective Laravel CRUD application. Okay, if you click on here, you can see here it's professionally create your code. Step by step it has explain and code. Okay, so here this one at the moment the pre-plan, this is a free plan. Okay, this is a free one. Okay, so you can get the free also, it given the much advantages for us to make the code very professionally here. So you have to try on the free one here. If these are the things we have to upgrade it, the Gemini, all things. Okay, if you are purchasing this plan, it's very good. Okay, so if we go to the first free plan here, how to create the install Laravel, you have to make the composer installed, we have to create the Laravel project. They are given the project name as bookred app. After that bookred app here, give the bookred app here. It's model, how to model implementation of the book here. Routes, you have set this how we have routes work. So here it's index page, you have how the works here. So all things here it's provided. Here everything is provided here. Error message, everything here it's edit and create page, and edit page, show page, layout page. Okay, so after that you have to run the application. Okay, it's professionally here. After that, how the URL work, pattern works, and everything it will be given for us here. URL management I have added here. You will be able to see the URL manager. The URL manager, the books slash book, it will be goes to the books controller. It works, everything should be fine. So very simple way to implement the system here. This only I have asked for the Laravel CRUD application, only Laravel CRUD application. If you are using the I want to another one, I need you to make it as a Java CRUD application. Java, Django Django CRUD application. You can get Django. Django is nowadays a very famous full thing. Okay, so here Django, how to make the Django application. Here the same book application, it has been created by the Django. It has been professionally generated codes. You can see. Okay, here go to the instruction. If you are a beginner of the Django programmer, you go to the instruction and do it. Here first you have to install the pipe install Django. After you have to configure the project. Here how to configure the project. After that you have to create the new project. After that you have to configure the install the here this what add it here, set up the Django files here like this. Here you can see here I need three things. These are the columns. Here it's migrations, how the migration works of Django. Here you have a CRUD application. Here this is a book. This all the things you have to set it here. It's methods, all the CRUD related to all the methods, get all details and create books, update, delete, everything is a form. It's a simple form. This is a blade file. We have all the HTML files. It's there. Okay, so very simple way to implement it. So I need you to generate a effective Django login and registration form. Yeah, very simple. It has been created very simple way. You will be able to see the code is very fast. Okay, so I recommend that if you are a good programmer, I tested through the codes. The GitHub Copilot is very good tool for a programmer who wants to learn programming. So when you stuck with some other coding, that when the line you get stuck, you just put into the you ask from the doubt of here Copilot. It is giving the good solution for you to solve that particular problem. Okay, here I have given my prompt as a Django CRUD application. The CRUD application, they are implemented the code snippet is very efficient, very nice. Okay, the very effective way to they generate the code. Okay, this is the way I have anticipated. Okay, this is the way I have anticipated, but they are provide the code is very well. Okay, this nice manner they are given the codes. Okay, the code snippet is very helpful for us to return the code. It's very nice, very effective way to make the coding stuff look like this. Okay, so you have tried those things. This is very helpful you to learn programming. Okay, GitHub Copilot. Thank you for watching.